Hello, my name is Colin Sheehan. I am the coffee shop video producer, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to post a classified ad. First, head to Roofer's Coffee Shop or metalcoffeeshop.com and navigate to the Classifieds tab at the upper left-hand corner. Then click Place an Ad. Once on this page, you can select how long you want the ad to be displayed on the website. You can choose which site you would like the ad to be on, and don't forget to add an image or a video. Next, scroll down and select the region that you would like the ad to be placed, and then press Continue to create your ad. Before you can create an ad, you're going to have to create an account. If you're unsure about how to create an account, you can watch this video. After successfully signing in, you can proceed to post your classified ad. Next, you need to fill out the ad details. If you want to add company details to your ad, you can do so here. This is especially important if you're creating a help wanted ad. Then click Preview Listing. Here you will be able to preview what your listing will look like on the sites. You can edit your listing, or you can add it to cart and proceed to check out. If you're a member of the R Club, you get 50% off your classified listing. Then click Complete Order, and that is how you create a classified ad on Roofer's Coffee.